Hi, I'm Christy from Federal Brace, here to tell you about the lighted floating shelf system. The lighted floating shelf is a customer-driven innovation that's both decorative and functional. The MDF shelf box is finished in a white wood veneer with an 18-inch UL Listed Eco-Lucent LED light bar fully installed. This shelf system has a carrying capacity of 100 pounds. Let's take a look at how Sam installs the support bracket for the lighted floating shelf. Please note that the light bar must be hardwired to a transformer to operate. The hardwire kit is sold separately on our website, linked in the description below. Transformer installation and wiring by a licensed electrician is suggested. Thank you for watching this video on our lighted floating shelf system. For more product information and innovations from Federal Brace, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We will see you next time.